And they were just saying, Connie, you need to do like RDBLA. Well, we about to outdo them.
So this is one of the large rooms?
High air conditioned, so temperature control for all the cars.
What's up with it, guys? So I'm over here, man. We looking at this big old place over here to possibly be a new car shop. Oh yeah, that's right. We're gonna have Hyphy Car Shop. Yeah, you know, we making moves, man. You know, y'all don't get blindsided. You know what I mean? Kali Muscle, I've been a hustler all my life, and I'm not gonna make no bad move. I can't afford to make no mistakes at this point in my life. You know, I'm mid-life right now, and no, not midlife crisis. And I already had that at 40 years old, so I'm well past that. So we're gonna look over here at this spot with my boy Jay. We're gonna see what we think. This could be a big opportunity for your boy. So let's go check it out.
Hey, Callie, Miles, this is John.
Hey,
here.
How you doing?
And then this is the big one we were talking about.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna look at this big one right here.
Yeah. We'll walk right through here.
So basically, so we can move cars through, we're cutting the walls.
So this is one of the large rooms?
High air conditioned, so temperature control for all the cars. You ain't coming up in this area unless you're coming up in this area.
Right.
It's all private.
Fully air conditioned.
So all this can be opened back up, so
Right,
it's about 13,000 square feet.
That's controlled.
So if we're in one area working, one area of the area is all air conditioned, where the others is not being used, we can cut down on electricity.
There's 3 loading doors there. So now,
So you would knock this down?
Yeah, knock this wall down, open it up maybe 30 feet, 20 feet high, so we can come right in, move.
loading doors are right in the back side of that wall. And you have one large room there and another large room right across the hallway. So because the hallways are narrow, probably it'd be good to open up a 12 by 14 opening here and a 12 by 14 opening on this side, which will get you directly to the other large rooms. So the 1, 2, and 3.
And which is the section that you said if we didn't need it, that would be towards this area?
This section.
Yeah.
They'll still let you go through the loading door. It's just that this is gonna be sectioned out for their use.
Okay.
If you don't need it. If you need it, then
Yeah, we need it.
Yeah,
What you think, Cal?
good idea.
Now, so every room is air conditioned.
Okay.
Tons of air conditioning in the building. It's insulated, secured. Parking lot is all concrete. Yes.
Cameras already outside.
Cameras, and the owners are occupying the second floor here. So you got
Okay.
security during the day and at night. And then there's like a takeout restaurant.
Food.
Oh,
Health food.
yeah?
For you and me.
I need it. I need to lay off that Mickey D.
So the idea would be to open up a
This
12 by
wall.
14 opening here.
Cut it straight through.
Hole in there.
Got a lot of room. We can always cut anything on the walls here. We can bring cars in. Separate just for the rack and tin, for the normal department, no mess for them.
Dope.
Just have to hit those steps.
They gonna be knocked down a lot of walls.
On the top one.
Like I be doing. Knocking down walls.
Yeah, 3 up,
Uh,
3 up, you know, wherever we want to put it in what section, so it's away from what the work is. We need to grab them, we just pull them out, you know. It's probably easier just to put them over here, so when they load out, they can come straight out the doors. You can put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 racks in here. It's 15 cars in here, easy, if they're 3 up. And you have more than enough room. How high are the ceilings?
Minimum 24, it goes to about 28 feet,
Yeah.
but because the air conditioning drops, they
right.
can be capped up.
Yeah,
Right?
all we need is 18 feet.
Yes,
Yeah,
I think
we're
it's actually 18 feet to the.
I mean, at my shop, any given time, there's $7-8 million worth of cars there, any given time. I don't want to have problems. Obviously, we'll put the alarm system, we'll put everything, the cameras in here and everything.
What's this? What would this be? We might need to put a gym up in there. Boy.
Good. Right? There's you and Miles. Put a couple computers in here, make the lights brighter, air conditioned. That way you're in the middle of everything.
Exactly.
Yeah. I think this is a good thing.
Yeah.
Because the shop is just way packed, bro.
Yeah.
You know how long it took us to move cars this morning? 45 minutes.
Damn.
45 minutes to an hour just to move cars so we can work. So we started working like 10:20.
Right. Yeah. That's
8, 9 guys at an hour wasted.
yeah.
Times 6. That's a lot. So this is a little over 13,000 square feet. So we'll figure out the numbers. He's gonna. He ain't gonna stop at 7, I don't think, bro.
I'm just so it's funny you say that. Me and my girl was talking today,
Uh-huh.
and you know we concerned about the area right there, just they perception of me having those cars.
That's why my cars are at my shop.
And I was like, well, me and Jay supposed to get the spot, and I could dump the rest of the
We
cars
are
over
gonna
there.
get the spot.
Well.
Yeah, we are gonna get the spot
Yeah.
because I got 27 cars.
Uh-huh.
I got them spread out all over LA.
Damn.
Yeah, and I'm giving everybody $200 to keep my cars there,
Wow.
and I don't even get to drive them. Then when I want to drive them, the batteries are dead because they forgot to plug in the charger.
Right.
Just between you and me,
Yeah.
there's plenty of cars. We need the whole 13,000 square
Yeah.
feet, I think.
Uh-huh.
Because just the cars we're gonna bring in here is at least 25 cars we're gonna work on at the same time.
Right.
Put the lifts in, the storage lifts and everything, everything's in-house. Nobody's gonna have to see it.
Super dope.
Yeah, you're gonna have the
Yeah.
hottest channel with all this stuff going
Yeah.
on, right?
Yeah, and they were just saying, Kylie, you need to do like RDBLA. Well, we about to outdo them.
Vision. You know,
Exactly.
right now the colors, the doors doesn't throw it, but opening the bays up to where they're saying
Uh-huh.
we'll have plenty of room.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
That way we have room for expansion, and then there's another 8,000 square feet up the hill if we needed something.
Okay.
Just for long-term storages, and there's
Mhm.
offices upstairs.
Right.
So between doing what we're doing with the car stuff,
So what they doing with that land next to here?
they're building another building.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You can film, you can do music. We'll put music in all the shops. It runs. Every room has a different thing. We just put an iPod to it. Everybody's happy.
Mhm.
You got you and Miles's office here. This is your office.
Yeah.
I'll put a little office somewhere in the corner of one of the little shops so I can have something so I can look at work orders and everything like that.
And then with all the guys here, like we could just pick a day, like, what you doing today? You know,
Exactly.
I'm doing this tent,
Yeah.
doing
That's
this
it.
rap, and
Because you could film 8 hours a day.
mm-hmm.
Oh man, they're doing big breaks. Oh, they're putting superchargers. Oh, they're doing a
Exactly.
big custom car audio system here.
Yeah.
We want the whole thing. Okay. Yeah. You ready to go, brother?
Yep.
It's a wrap, my boys.
So what's up with the guys? So hey, you seen the building? We gotta rip down some walls up in there, man. You know I'm known for ripping down walls. But yeah, man, hey, if this come to fruition, this is gonna be a huge deal. You know, y'all, I'm a car enthusiast now, y'all. Just come on now. I might not shift with the paddlers like y'all, but I got nice cars. I'm in the car business now. The car world love me. I'm just making all type of connections. So this building is only right, man. I gotta protect my where they at? I gotta protect my investments, and they're not depreciating. Cause we got videos that make residuals daily, so it's not depreciating. So with that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And like my shirt say, don't be jealous.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.